Have you thought why these athletes outperform? Intrigued? Let's dive deeper. Discipline and passion drive every top athlete. They push their limits, constantly striving for excellence. They practice hard and work tirelessly. But there's more to it. Beyond the sweat and dedication lies a secret weapon. Enter hyperbaric oxygen therapy, a game changer in the world of sports. This therapy helps athletes recover faster and perform better. But how does it work? Hyperbaric oxygen therapy, or HBOT, involves breathing pure oxygen in a pressurized environment. This increases oxygen levels in the blood, promoting faster healing and recovery. Enhanced recovery and performance benefits. Athletes even sleep in these chambers to boost recovery. Imagine waking up feeling rejuvenated and ready to conquer new challenges. Discover the power of hyperbaric oxygen therapy and take your performance to the next level. But what makes HBOT so effective? The increased oxygen levels help reduce inflammation, accelerate tissue repair, and enhance overall physical performance. It's like giving your body a supercharged boost. Many top athletes swear by HBOT. They believe it gives them the edge they need to stay ahead of the competition. It's not just about physical recovery. HBOT also helps with mental clarity and focus, essential for peak performance. Imagine being able to think clearer, react faster, and stay calm under pressure. That's the power of hyperbaric oxygen therapy. Whether you're preparing for a big competition or recovering from an intense workout, HBOT can be a game changer. The benefits are clear: faster recovery, enhanced performance, and improved mental clarity. But is it for everyone? Whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned athlete, HBOT can help you unlock your true potential. So should athletes sleep in hyperbaric chambers? The choice is yours. It's important to consult with a medical professional before starting HBOT. They can guide you on the best approach for your specific needs. With the right guidance, you can harness the full potential of hyperbaric oxygen therapy. It's not just about recovery, it's about reaching new heights. So, are you ready to take your performance to the next level? Discover the power of hyperbaric oxygen therapy today. The journey to peak performance is challenging, but with the right tools, you can achieve greatness. Hyperbaric oxygen therapy might just be the secret weapon you've been looking for. Embrace the power of HBOT and unlock your true potential. HBOT also improves endurance, allowing athletes to train longer and harder without hitting a wall. It reduces muscle fatigue, helping athletes bounce back quicker from grueling sessions. Additionally, HBOT enhances immune function, keeping athletes healthier and less prone to illness. With these added benefits, hyperbaric oxygen therapy truly stands out as a comprehensive tool for peak athletic performance. For more information, visit oxygenhealthsystems.com.